It's all you can eat, but you have to eat carefully. The cubs seem completely confused. Is it supposed to taste like this? This is really crunchy. Wow. Scout thinks he has the muscles for the job, while Amber lets her mother do all the heavy lifting. And the clever Raven collects his reward. Hey, that was mine. It is a lot of work, but there's nothing else on the menu right now. Ouch! A hidden sanctuary where the bears can let down their guard. Sky's found herself driven to a remote, unfamiliar area. This is Chinook, the outcast. There's nowhere to hide. Sky must stand her ground. Chinook's circling is dangerous. If Sky shows any weakness, he will attack. It worked. Sky successfully held her ground, and Chinook continues his hunt elsewhere.